Welcome to the presentation on performance management training through e-learning. As we know, performance is the result or output of an individual produced at the end of a day, a week, or a year. There are two critical elements of performance: one is behavior and the other is results. And performance management is all about managing employee performance. It is the process of aligning the organization's goals with the employee's individual goals. This process is a tested practice and accepted globally. Effective training programs have proven to help equip managers with the required skill set, and increase their confidence levels in communicating with their employees. Previously, performance management was primarily conducted through classroom trainings, as it involves soft skills and behavioral changes. But in recent years, delivering performance management training through e-learning has gained significance. It has become a useful alternative for companies who need to reach their geographically widespread employees in limited time. But the question here is, whether e-learning can really help train the employees? Yes, we can teach, but the key is the instructional strategies that are used to design the courses. There are 5 instructional design strategies that can make the courses work. Let us see what they are. The 5 instructional design strategies are avatars, scenarios, process tables, simulations, games. Avatars are powerful learning agents that speak straight to the learner throughout the course, making it easier for the learner to understand. They represent a person or a character that can interact with the course users. During the course they act as a mentor or a guide to the learners. To introduce what performance management is and why it is important, an avatar can be used to act as a facilitator throughout the course. An avatar will appear in the introduction, and can also be used in the conclusion of the course. In addition to introducing a course, an avatar can also be used to provide the average user question. The question prompt will be in the voice of the avatar, the choices will be presented on screen, and the custom feedback will again be in the voice of the avatar. It is based on situational cognition, which builds relationships between learners and the context or situation. The aim of scenario-based learning is to make e-learning as realistic as possible, and this can be done using a series of situations or contexts to explain concepts or decisions. As a manager, your roles involve setting goals and objectives for the employees, reviewing their progress, providing feedback, and coaching. These responsibilities can be clearly explained through scenarios in a course. Likewise, the roles and responsibilities of an employee too can be explained suitably with scenarios. A dialogue can be facilitated between an employee and a manager, where the manager talks about performance mismanagement and goal setting with an employee. Process tables or flow diagrams are used to teach processes or demonstrate how things work. The reason for using them in an e-learning course is that they promote better understanding, help represent processes, and of course, to manage cognitive load. In a performance management course, we have the performance management life cycle, to show the goal-setting steps, mid-year review processes, and also the year-end appraisals. This life cycle can easily be presented in a clear and simple way to the learners using process tables. Simulations are an imitation of real-life situations or processes. If you are implementing a major software rollout, you could consider using e-learning courses with simulations, because they are the best way to train learners how to use software applications. How do you train your managers and employers on software applications? Firstly, learners are given an overview of the application they need to learn. This is popularly called the watch step. Next, in the try step, the learner can participate in the process, where he or she is expected to apply the instructions just learnt. In the final do step, the learners are all by themselves and without any prompts. They need to apply the knowledge that they have acquired, remember the steps, and do them on their own. According to Carl M. Kapp, author of Gamification of Learning and Instruction, you have just undergone the gamification experience. It is the mantra many companies are following to train their employees. The idea of including games in employee training has stemmed from the concept of making training fun, instead of a rigorous or boring activity. Gamification drives user engagement by engaging learners in a spirited competition with colleagues. Games promote ways of knowing and ways of doing. Assessments can be made interactive with the help of games. We all know that some organizations conduct mid-year reviews, in order to gain a better insight of the employee goal and development. For one of our clients, we developed an e-learning course on the importance of mid-year reviews. Performance management is neither an event nor a performance appraisal process, it is an ongoing process. Training plays a key role in implementing the performance management process effectively. Delivering training through e-learning is gaining significance, but the key lies in instructional strategies. The 5 instructional design strategies are avatars, scenarios, process tables, simulations, games. CommLab India offers a free course on performance management, which helps you learn and explore its essentials. The 10-minute course will be highly interactive with audio and animations. For demos of highly interactive and effective e-learning solutions, visit our website. Thank you.